I'm Jonathan from far north Dallas, and we've been using SHR for over 10 years now. We always use SHR because when we call them, they're on time, they're reliable, and the price is always reasonable. My family and I have used many different air conditioning companies in the DFW area, but we settled on SHR because they're always timely, they're reliable, and I know when I call them, they'll come and they'll fix my air conditioners. Working with SHR is always easy because when they show up and they're on time, they know exactly what they're doing. They know exactly how to get into my attics and fix my air conditioning issues, whatever they may be. And in some cases, when I've had to replace whole units, they come in, they're timely, they clean up after themselves, and I have a brand new air conditioning unit that works really well. The price is always reasonable. A lot of air conditioning companies in DFW, will try to take advantage of you. They'll tell you you need parts and materials and services that you don't really need, but you don't get that with SHR. With SHR, they're always honest and reasonable on price, and they only fix what really needs to be fixed. When I have air conditioning issues and I call SHR, they always come on time. They explain to me what the issue is in layman's terms so I understand what's going on, and then they provide me a fair and a reasonable quote before I hire them to fix the issue. So whenever I have air conditioning units, my first call is always to SHR. I tell my friends and family when they have their air conditioning issues, they should call SHR too.